Rei Reply versus GoHighLevel, which is best? If you're comparing GoHighLevel and Rei Reply, then you're probably trying to grow your business, automate your sales, and stop duct taping different tools together. Today, I'm going to tell you which tool does what and which one is better for you. Now, both of these tools do CRM, pipeline management, email, SMS marketing, funnels, landing pages, automation, and appointment booking. They're replacing previous tools that were more modular and needed to be integrated together. But the key differences show with when it comes to scalability and who each platform is built for. So Rei Reply is a very specific platform. It's built specifically for real estate investors or realtors. It's very niche. It has pre-built templates that are only related to real estate. Now, when it comes to GoHighLevel is designed for any industry: agencies, coaches, service providers, e-commerce, real estate, healthcare, creators, freelancers, and local businesses. It's more broad. It's more modular. You can customize it for any niche, which is why agencies use it to sell it as a service. So unless you're strictly working in real estate, GoHighLevel is the obvious best choice. So when it comes to pros and cons, Rei Reply is a plug-and-play tool for real estate investors. However, it is limited and it has no white label control, whereas GoHighLevel is full white label option, so you can resell under your own brand. It has unlimited funnels, courses, and email campaigns, and you have a huge opportunity to build a SaaS business inside the platform. You have multi-location business support and AI automation. So GoHighLevel is the best choice for you, but if you're only looking for real estate, you can opt for Rei Reply as well. And thank you to GoHighLevel for partnering with us. So make sure to check out the link provided in the description box to get the best possible prices for GoHighLevel.